First question.
Yes.
Cannonball or dive?
Dive.
Campfire, log cabin or teepee style?
Oh, log cabin. You
Oh.
get much more on it that way.
I'm surprised. I saw you as a teepee man. Marshmallows, burnt to a crisp or golden brown?
You gotta be patient. You want them golden brown and liquid in the middle. It takes time.
I agree. Hamburger or hot dog?
Hot dog, because you don't need a grill for a hot dog. You just put it on a stick.
Sausage or bacon?
Oh,
Sunrise or sunset?
sunset.
Ketchup or dill pickle chips?
Neither. Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. Okay, very personal question for you. Bow or stern?
Oh, stern.
Me too. Sailing or water skiing?
Sailing.
Monopoly or Trivial Pursuit?
Trivial Pursuit.
Moose, beaver, or loon?
Loon. Loon on a lake is best thing ever.
I won't make you do the loon call right now.
No, since my voice broke, I haven't been able to, so that's been a few years.
Cabin, camp, or cottage? Which do you call it?
Cottage.
And perhaps the most controversial question of all, butter tarts, raisins or no raisins?
No raisins.
No raisins. All right, you've made it through the rapid fire, but now it's time for the bonus round. If you could spend a cottage weekend with 3 former prime ministers, who would they be and why?
My dad, obviously, great canoeist, but it'd be nice to spend a weekend with him again. John Turner is actually an amazing northern canoeist. And
I never knew.
Great to, yeah, people should know that. He's paddled just about every river that verses into the Arctic Ocean. And Wilfrid Laurier, just because.
Can I come on that cottage weekend? I'm pretty good at cottaging.
There we go, we'll see.
Thank you so much.
What a pleasure.